Hello, good day viewers. Here is the fifth question under the diode circuit. As you can see, we have two silicon, so we have to take a look. The diodes are on or off, so therefore this is what? This is the silicon diode. We all know that the silicon diode is what? 0.7, and you have to take a look to the diode. They are what? They are looking forward, so therefore this are what? This is what? This is the forward bias. Forward bias what? They are forward bias, not reverse bias. If they are reverse bias, it means they are off, but since they are forward, they are what? They are on, because they take a look to what? To that direction, because they are taking their direction. So therefore the value what of the germanium? The germanium, it is 0.3. so again, all the way we are going to use what? Let's use the KVL method. So therefore you have to take note that, but they didn't specify this is rising or what? This is rising or dropping, because in the last question they specified this as what? Positive. So therefore, but we all know this is what? This is rising. So but we can say, let's use, we have negative to positive as what? As dropping, and positive to negative as what? As rising. So let's use this what? Positive to negative, because we all know it is positive. So let's use the what? Okay, it is positive to negative. If we use positive and the rest to be dropping, and we use 12 voltage as what? As dropping, the rest will be rising, it will give us the what? The same answer. But let's check for what? For dropping. When it is dropping, it will now be what? Negative 14. Please, you have to take note that you can use any method, and therefore it will give you the same answer. Please don't be confused of this. So this should now be plus what? I have 0.7, and then I have to say plus what? 0.3. I have to say plus what? Plus this 2 kilo ohm, plus what? Plus this 10. So I have to check. Okay, this is it kilo ohms, or this is 10 ohm, not kilo ohm? So therefore I have to say yes, 10 ID, because I'm looking for what? I'm looking for the current. So therefore this should now be equals to 0. So if I said minus this plus this plus this, we all know that minus 12 plus this, it will give me what? 1. So therefore plus what? 2 ID plus what? 10 ID should now be 0. Minus this plus this minus 11 plus what? This and this, it will give me what? But yes, it will give me what? 12. 10 plus 2, it will give me 12 ID. This should now be equals to 0. So I have to say minus 11 should now be, okay, I will just keep what? 12 ID as it is. So this, when this cross the equal sign, it will now be 11. Divide both sides by what? 12 by 12. 12 we cancel 12. The value of ID should now be equals to, if I said 11 divided by the value of 12, I'll get 0.91 what? 916 milliamps. Because of what? Because of this kilo. So I have to put what? Milliamps. Yes, but you can put 0.91 what? 7 approximately. So therefore the ID, it is equals to this what? Milliamps. So the next thing that we are going to do, we have to determine this V0. So therefore this V0 minus what? When it comes here, minus 10 I what? 10 ID should now be equals to what? 0. So V0 minus 10 multiplied by what? 0.917, it is equals to 0. So this V0, if I said minus what? Minus 10 multiplied by 0.917, so this should now be minus 9.17, it is equals to 0. V0, it is equals to what? 9.17 what? 9.17 volts. So this is all I have for you for this. But if I am to use what? If I am to use the what method? If I am to find the current directly by V over what? R. So I have to say what is V, which is 12 what? Minus 0.7 minus again 0.3 divide by what? divide by the sum of this resistance, which is 12. So this minus it will give me, first it will give me 1. 12 minus 1, it will give me what? 11 divided by what? 12. So therefore, as you can see, yeah, it gets back to this 11 divided by it will give us the same. So dear student, I'm advising you that when you are solving this kind of problem, kindly use the two methods. If one method give you the same, you follow the another method, it will give you the same. It means you are right. There is no doubt on your work. So therefore, please take note on this. Let's meet in the 5th question. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks you for watching.